Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML semantic elements. And right now, we'll be discussing about the HTML nav element. The HTML nav element defines a set of navigation links. Notice that not all links of a document should be inside a nav element. The nav element is intended only for major blocks of navigation links. Browsers such as screen readers for disabled users can use this element to determine whether to omit the initial rendering of this content. For example, a set of navigation links like this. We are having inside all this one now. Let me quickly show you example so you can see how this works. Inside here, as you can see, we are having opening and closing nav tag. Inside here, we are having anchor tag. Different types of anchor tag. We are having 1, 2, 3, 4. We are having 4 anchor tags. So I'm going to show you this how this works quickly now so you can understand it. So back to our document. Inside our document here, we are having footer. Footer element where you can check our semantic playlist where we discuss about this footer element and the whole semantic element you can find in HTML. And in the future we are still going to talk about it more better, but you can check the playlist on the semantic element for now. So quickly, let's use our nav element. Inside our nav element, what do we need? We need anchor tag. We need links to direct people to somewhere. We need links. How many links do we need? We need like 4. Let's write 4 times 4. Inside here now we are having 4 links, right? It will be like this. Let's make it look neat so it can look neat. So as you can see, this one now is looking neat. So now let's put wow or top 10 strength. Let's put top 10 strength.html here so you can see the benefit of using this. Let's call this TTS, right? And do like this. Inside here, do like this. I'll tell you the reason why I said you should do that, but let me firstly leave it like this. Let's write top 10 strength. This one, let's just give it a link because we don't have any link we want to give it. Let's give it another to. Let's give it to. Let's just give this one another one also. Let's give it go. Let's give this one another one also because we don't have a link where we can direct them to. Let's give this wow. So let's just save it and see how it looks in our browser. Let's reload this. Can you see we are having TTS? When we click this TTS, it directs us to this place where we are having our top 10 strength. Now let's get back. When we click to it will not direct us to anywhere. Go will not direct us to anywhere. Wow also will not direct us to anywhere. As you can see, this is our nav bar. As you can see, it's looking nice. So you can use this as your navigation bar. So I want to show you something right here. The reason why I asked you to put something here that time, I'm going to show you right here. You can see when I had this now. Let's say for instance I had this thing now. I had it to make it look neat and nice and look beautiful, more better. Let's save our document and see all this space you are seeing right here now. You are going to see something there. Can you see? It separated everything one by one, so and you can decorate the links and you can do much more, anything you feel like you want to do. When we click this one, it takes us to this place, and when we click this one also, it takes us to so this one is for navigation and you can control it to your taste. So this is part of the HTML semantic elements, nav elements. So inside you can have your anchor element, anchor tags. And what akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. I don't want this to get too long. Have a great day. Thank